If you don't see the difficulty option showing up in My Career, that usually means you haven't been drafted into an NBA team yet. You'll need to go through the draft route and finish that process first. Once you're officially drafted, the difficulty setting will appear. Also make sure you have completed quests like draft day and out of bounds intro. Those are key steps before the difficulty option becomes available in My Career. Now once that's all done and you are in My Career but wanna change the difficulty because you picked the wrong one, here's how you can do it. Go over to options, select quit and then head into settings. At the very top of that screen, you'll see the difficulty options. You'll see all the available levels like rookie, semi-pro, pro, all-star, superstar and hall of fame. Pick the one that matches your skill level. If the game feels too easy, try bumping it up. If it feels too tough, drop it down a notch or two. It's quick and simple way to fine tune your experience. Also remember, the difficulty you choose also affects the VC you earn per game. Higher difficulty means more VC rewards. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.